Welcome to Kotlin Bootcamp for Programmers. I'm Muhammad John Nasir from Tricky Solution. In this episode, I'm going to teach you the if statement, if else statement, if else if or nested if else statement, and when statement. Let's get started with the IntelliJ IDE and the first one, if statement. First one, what is if? Sometimes we need to check a condition that if this condition is true, so run this piece of program. Else, if it is not true, run another else of another piece of program. For example, we have two number. We have number of fish 15 and we have number of planets 23. Now we want to check if number of fish greater than number of plants, do print something. Else, if number of fish is not greater than number of plants, then print something. This is the code. For example, we can print good ratio here. We can print good ratio, or we can print unhealthy ratio here. Let's check. So if the number of fish is greater than number of planets, then print this piece of code. Everything here print or do this piece of code. If the number of fish is not greater than number of plants, then do this. So let's try out this one. Run program. So now the number of fish is 15 and the number of plants are 23. So now this condition is true. The number of fish is greater than number of plants. Right now, if we see this condition is true, and this piece of code will run, so we can get good ratio. Else, if it is not true, for example, if it is 50, if we can make it 5, so now the number of fish is 5 and the number of plants is 23. Now it checks like this: if 5 greater than 23, if 5 greater than 23, like this. Now number of fish, this 5 value will come to here instead of number of fish, and this 23 number will come instead of number of plants. If this condition get true, if this condition become true, so this piece of code, anything inside this bracket after else will run. If this condition will not true, anything in the else bracket condition will run. So right now the 5 is greater than 3. It is not true because 5 is less than 23. So this piece of code will run. Let's start run the program. Now we can see this, it is unhealthy program. Or I can give you another example. For example, int a equal to 4 and var a equal to 5, var b equal to 90. Now we can check if a is equal to b or anything. If a is equal to b, this is the equal sign. If it is in programming language, this only one equal sign, it means it will assign b to a. It will assign b to a like this. It will assign 5 to a. If you want to compare two value as a equal sign, this is the equal sign. It means if a is equal to b, then print this piece of code. Println equal. Else if a is not equal to b, println this piece of code. Numbers or not equal. Let's run this program. Let's see the result, what happens. So now numbers are not equal because a is not equal to b. If we change 5 to 90 and run the program again, let's see what happens. Now this piece of code will run. See, f is equal to b. Now this piece of code will run. What if we have multiple if condition? For example, a is 50 and b is 90. So we can check if a is equal to print equal, else after else you can make an if condition. If is equal to b, so print this one. Now we can check another condition. A is less than b. If a is less than b, print a is less than b, or we can print the value itself. For example, a is b. Now a is less than b. If a is less than b, now run this piece of code. A is less than b. Else, if it is not less than b, so what will be? It will be the greater than b. So we can print that number here. A and $a is greater than $b. So this piece of code will run. We can do like else if. We can create multiple types of else if condition. Let's run the program and see the results. Now a is equal, now a is not equal, now a is less than b. This condition will get true and this piece of code will run. A is less than b. Now what is a? A is 50 and a is less than 90. 50 is less than 90. So this is the if and if else conditions. For example, let's run some other programs. Let's run another program. I have the number of fish. I have the number of fish as 50. For example, I have value fish equal to 50. I have 50 fish. Now I want to check if fish in 1.100. What it means? .100. It means it will count in from 1 to 100. It is a range of numbers. And this if condition will check if this fish or 15 exists a number between these 1 to 100. So run this program. Println fish exists. Let's run this program. Now fish exists because 50 exists in this between range 1 to 100. One last example in if else if conditions. For example, I have 4 laptops. I have 4 laptops. Now I want to check if I have 0 laptop. If laptops equal to 0, now print ln. For example, stock, out of stock, laptop is out of stock. Else if our laptops is less than for example 20, if our laptop is less than 20, println, let's print you need to buy, you need to order 80 laptops, else if my laptops in stock is less than 50, print, let's do print the machine, you need to order 50 laptops, else if laptops are greater than 50, print you have enough laptops, else at the end none of these will get true, print for example invalid number, or out of 50 or out of 100, for example, else print invalid number, like this. So let's see this example. If my laptop I have 4, if my laptop is 0, so you have to print laptop is out of stock. If your laptop is less than 20, so 4 is less than 20, you need to order 20 laptop. Else if it is less than 50, and you have to mention now 20 is less than, 20 is also less than, 4 is less than 20, and 4 is less than 50. It will print both of this. So let's run this application. You need to order 20 laptops. You need to order 80 laptops, because when it comes the first time it run this if statement, and if this is condition is true, this program will not go further of this if statements. So this condition get true and it will run this program. And what if now 50, 4 is less than 50, this condition is also true. Let's make it as a 34. Let's see what happens. Now you need to order 50 laptops. 24 is less than 50 and you need to order 50 laptops. This condition will get true. If you want to check laptops, you want to check two conditions at the same times, you can also do that. For example, if your laptop is less than 20 or greater than or and, you can check ampersand, and your laptops are greater than 10. If it is in this range, so print you need 80 laptops. If your laptop is less than 50 and greater than, for example, 20, and greater, your laptops are greater than 20, print this condition. So like this you can have multiple condition in one if statements. For example, 50, if laptop is greater than 50, print this condition. So now, for example, if it is 50, what happens? Invalid number. Why? If it is 50, because it is greater, we have checked greater than 50, and 50 is not in these conditions. So what we can do, we can do greater than and equal also. Greater than and equal, it will come under this condition. Now if you run, now see the output, you will get this output. You have enough laptop. Or we can do like this, greater than or equal, not equal, if your laptop is greater than 50, or you can also do the same thing like this, or laptop is equal to 50, you can run this program and see the result. You will get the same result because this condition will get under this or function. This condition, if it is this means or, do if this will get true or this will get true. If any of these conditions is true, run this program. This means if both conditions are true, for example 1, both conditions are true, run this piece of code. Otherwise, do not run this piece of code. This means like this. So this was for if else conditions, and we have, as we see, we have lots of if else conditions. What if we can convert all of these like when we should use as a when statement? Let's use the when statement. There is a nicer way to write that series of if else and else if statement in Kotlin, using when statement, which is like switch statement in other language. The condition in when statement can be used in a range too. For example, I want to print the same piece of code. I want to show you the same piece of code in if else statement using the when. The when syntax is itself when and brackets. Inside when we can specify the variable. Now our variable is laptop. So now according to laptops, according to the each value of laptops, so it will print something. When laptop is 0, dash and this greater than, and after that we can print anything. Print ln empty stock. It is like this condition. If laptop is 0, laptop is out of stock. Now if laptop is greater than, now if this condition, laptop is 20 or laptop is greater than 10 or less than 10, we can do some other stuff like that. Laptop is greater than 10 and here is and laptop is 20 less than 20. Now do this piece of code. It will run this piece of code. Well, this condition is not true, and if laptop is, for example, 20, do this piece of code. Inside that brackets you can do this piece of code. Now print ln you need 80 laptops, or if laptop is in range of 20 40 50. If the laptop is in this range, so print unit, print out, println you have enough laptop. Else at the end, else condition, and inside that brackets you can print. There is lot of printlns. You have extra laptop. So right now if I print this one, what will happen? Let's see. Now how many laptops I have? 50. Let's see which condition is true. 50 is under this condition. If in range of 20 to 50 you have enough laptop, this condition will run. So this was the when condition. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and see you soon on the next video.